And we have some breaking news coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has responded to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's recent remarks in which Rahul Gandhi mentioned the existence of a systematic bias against lower castes since his family was in power. Now, Prime Minister Modi said, and I quote, "Sometimes while speaking lies, the truth comes out of the Shehzada's mouth." By Shehzada, Prime Minister Modi is referring to Rahul Gandhi. Now, Congress party's Shehzada has confessed a big truth. He has admitted the system that was formed during his grandmother, his father, and his mother's time was severely against the Dalits, backwards and Adivasis. This system of the Congress destroyed the generations of ST, SC and OBCs. The Shehzada has admitted this himself. So this is the statement of Prime Minister Modi against Rahul Gandhi's remark in which he admitted that there was systematic bias under the Congress party's rule. Let's listen in to Prime Minister Modi.
कई बार लाख झूठ बोलते हुए भी शहजादे की जुबान पर सच्चाई तो आ ही जाती है। आज कांग्रेस के शहजादे ने एक बड़ा सच स्वीकार कर लिया। शहजादे ने मान लिया है कि उनकी दादी, उनके पिताजी, उनकी माताजी के समय जो सिस्टम बना वो दलितों, पिछड़ों, आदिवासियों का घोर विरोधी रहा है। कांग्रेस के इसी सिस्टम ने एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी की कितनी ही पीढ़ियों को तबाह किया। आज शहजादे ने खुद ये बात मान ली।
And our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh is joining us on this story. Pallavi, big attack coming in from the Prime Minister calling the Congress party anti-Dalit, citing Rahul Gandhi's remark itself.
Yes, I think this is a trap which Rahul Gandhi has straight away walked into, and this will definitely boomerang on the Congress, Anjali, because you have been seeing and following Rahul Gandhi's speeches, and as a part of the Congress manifesto is a promise to bring around a caste census. And this is Rahul Gandhi's pet slogan that, it's the backwards and the Dalits who have really not got the benefits which the government has been talking about. And therefore, his government, if it comes to pass, is going to change this. Now, when Rahul Gandhi himself talks about his younger days when he used to visit the Prime Minister's residence, whether it was for his father or for his grandmother, he said that the system was wrong. It's a clear admission of the fact that he saw that there were no benefits which was going to a backwards. And that's the point which is now being picked up by the BJP and the Prime Minister. That here comes an admission that the Congress, when it was in power, never bothered to do anything for the Dalits. So why are they pointing a finger at us?
All right, Pallavi, thank you for that context. With that, we're now slipping into a very short break, but there's more on the other side. Stay with us.